Hello everyone, welcome to Chem at that point. Dear student, today I will discuss class 9 is matter around of pairs MCQ. It is a DPP-3. Okay, so let's start. Nice. So first of all, complete the table given below by filling of the examples. Right, dear student. First column is the dispersed phase, and second was is the dispersing medium, and third one is the type, and four are the examples. Right, example is just complete filling the examples, right, one by one. So I just share only one examples, right. Dear student, please on the comment box you can be write the another examples. Done. Nice. So let's start. The first question, liquid, gas, aerosol, right? So that example is the fog, right? And you also write down the another examples. What is the combinations of gas and aerosol, right? And in a comment box. Done. Now move to the second. This first phase is the solid, gas, aerosol, and that example is the smoke. Okay. Then gas. This first phase is the gas. Dispersing medium is the liquid, and type is the foam, right. So examples, right. All of you know the shaving cream, right. Okay, it's also another examples, and you also write down the comment box uh, both many examples are there. Okay, so liquid for plus foam, right. So gas is the dispersed phase, dispersed medium is the liquid, and type is the foam, right. I just share the one examples saving cream. Got it my point. You write down the another example in the comment box along with bit 1, bit 2, bit 3. That's why it do not confuse. Okay, now move to the D. Liquid. Okay, dispersed phase is the liquid, dispersing medium is the liquid, and types is the emulsions, right. That examples is the milk, right. Or another example, face cream. Got it my point. And many examples are there, right. You write down another examples. Done. Now bit E, liquid plus sol. uh, it is one example is the milk of magnesia, right. Milk of magnesia, right. So next example, solid plus foam. Next example is the also a rubber, right, sponge. Got it my friend. And G, solid plus gel, right. You know jelly, right. Then butter. Got it my point. You write down another examples in the comment box. Okay, so solid plus solid soul. What is the that example is the milky glass, right. Got it my point. So you write down another examples. Done. Good. I just share one example. You write down another example in your comment box along with bit. Done. Any confusion? No. Now move to the second bit. The properties then can be observed and specified are known as physical properties. Okay. Burning is a chemical change. Now question number 4. The change in chemical properties of matter and getting a new substance is known as. Okay. Dear students, it's a very important question. It comes directly in your exam, right. So the chemical change, right, change in chemical properties of matter and getting a new substance, Okay, definitely it is a chemical change. Do you understand my point? It is a chemical change. Now move to the question number 5. A chemical change can also be termed as chemical reactions, physical reaction, both A and B, none of these. Dear student, right answer is chemical reactions. Okay. Now classify the following as chemical or physical change. Chemical or physical change. Okay. So cutting of tree is a physical change, right? Roasting of almira is a chemical change. Boiling of water to form steam. Boiling of water to form steam. Okay, it is a physical change, right? Dissolving common salt in water. Dissolving common salt in water. It's also a physical change, right? Then E. Passing electric current through water and water breaking into hydrogen and oxygen gas. It is a what? Chemical change. Okay. Burning of candle. Burning of candle. Both physical and chemical change. Okay. Burning of paper and wood. It is a chemical change. Got my point? 7. On the basis of chemical composition, substances can be classified as elements or compounds. Okay. Who was the first scientist to use the term elements? Right? This is the three scientists are there. So what is the right answer? Right answer is the B. Robert Boyle. Okay. Now move to the question number 9. Dash a French chemist was the first to establish an experimentally useful definition of an element, right? So right answer is A. Anthony Lavoisier. Okay, now move to the question number 10. The basis form of matter that cannot be broken down into simpler substances by chemical reactions is known as element. Now question number 11. Elements can be normally divided into metals, non-metals, metalloids. Right? Normally divided into 3. That means all of the above. Now question number 12. List down the all properties of metal. And I think all of you know that, right? Properties of metal. Please write down in your chemistry notebook, right? All metals. But in this case, okay, in the comment box, question you just write down the question number 12 and minimum 2 to 3 properties of metal it can be write down. Just like it can be sonorous, right? Getting my point. Malleable nature as showing. Okay, then ductile. Got it? Whatever you know there, it just write down 2 or 3 sentence. Got it? Is your homework. Getting my point? It is a your homework. Question number 12. Okay, now move to question number 13. The properties of metal to be drawn into thin wire is known as ductility. The properties of metal to be hammered into thin sheet is known as malleability. The properties of metal to make a ringing sound is known as sonorous, which is the only metal that is liquid at room temperature. It's a very important, dear student. At room temperature, mercury is a metal, but it stays in the liquid state. Okay. Then question number 17. List down the properties of non-metal. Dear student, similar things are there, right? Question, all of you write down in the comment box question number 7, 2 to 3 points. Properties of non-metals. Done? Yes. Is your work, right? Now question number 18. Metals having intermediate properties between those of metals and non-metals are known as, answer is metalloids. Okay. So which among the following are metalloids? Boron, silicon, Germanium, answer is 3 has the metal weights, that means all of the above. The number of elements known at present at more than 100. Getting my point? More than 100. Right now in the periodic table 180 elements are there. Getting my point? So according to this option, more than 100 is the correct answer. Got it? So dear students, it's a 20 MCQ and a very important. All of you, please note down in your chemistry notebooks, right? And in the comment box, you also write down question number 1, right? And the properties of metals and properties of non-metals, two lines, only two lines. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.